dealership in MGM, near MGM Mall or inside, I don't know. I guess it's like on the highway or whatever, that's the bridge thing. And many big people are going to show up to the event. It's an open day for all the people, all the car lovers and speed freaks and the people who can't afford big cars. So they have invited everyone, and my friends are also going to come, and this is a lit vlog, and yeah, enjoy. So we just spotted Bento's car, one of my best friends. It's just so beautiful in real life. I'm So the lineup of the dealerships are so good. Lamborghini. This is a place you can buy motocross, sports bikes, Polaris, small ones, quads, everything, and then it's the Bentley and the classic car. So in the classic car you get every car almost, like RS3 is there, 911 Turbo S, Mustang GT, and I guess that's a Cayman if I'm not wrong, and many other cars are there. We are going to just go inside, but we are taking how many ever shots we can take from the outdoor, because the sunlight is going to go and the sun is going to set, so we can take the interior anytime. And the bikes are so cool. And over here, one of my favorite cars of all time, my dream cars. It's like my dream car. It's the Aventador Roadster S. I don't really like it. I like the LP 710, and then there is, I guess, one more over there, and there's a Urus also. Urus. My friend has that color one, yellow. This looks good too. This is a beauty of all time. Never ending love. I just love this car. Bentley is so small, only one door entrance is over there. There are few Land Rovers. I guess one is a Evoque, one is a Sport. There's a 911, I guess, just chilling over there if I'm not wrong. There are so many cars. There are only 3 cars in the dealership. That's like, I guess it's also a Roadster S behind, or SV, I'm not sure actually. And I really want to buy the Polaris over there. But yeah, we are going to go inside now. We are going inside now. So we are basically inside the dealership, and this is the C300. The video which I made of the Benzo was the E300. So this is a coupe convertible. Being honest, this color really looks good. So there's a, I guess that's the SS. Yes, no, that's the RS, a Rolls Royce. And just check this out. You see the detailing in the headlamps? I don't want to touch them. This is a GT Speed, one of my dream cars. I hate Rolls Royce. I love more of the Bentley. They just look so gorgeous. Alloy rims. Just look at the wheels of this car and then this car. This always stays the same. Then we also, it's a girl doing that. They're seriously being on. I am trying to zoom it in. She's taking a video and then revving the car. Mufflers are on. That's super scary to be honest. I'm scared if she just comes flying and hit the ref battle is going between both the Ferrari. It's not shooting flames. Bentley is there. It will cost a lot to fix it. Many years ago, I took a photo of that red car. It's there on my Instagram, and of the Ferrari. No, it was similar one, convertible F4 458 Spider, and there was a 2019 Huracan. No, 2018. This is the new one because of this thing I noticed. Might be that's something foolish, but yeah. The interior of this cars. Then there. This is a Wraith, if I'm not wrong. This should be a Wraith. This is a Wraith. Or a Ghost. But Ghost has 4 though. This is a Wraith. I hope I get one chance to do that too. a good video for Instagram. Lol. This is the Aston Martin Lagenda, whatever you want to call. The headlamps are really good. Alloy wheels black. This is a V12, and I hope there is a V8 also. I need to shout. And this is the Huracan type door handle. Interior is not that great. The back, the brown interiors look so good. Then we also have here a 718 Boxster. So this is a Porsche 718 Boxster. It looks really ugly, being honest. Sorry. It's just not the type of my car. There are a lot of Porsches and Range Rovers over here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, many Range Rovers and many Benz. And if you follow them like how I do, every time a normal average cars which they sell is the Benz. Everyone is buying this one. These are the best for now because there are 4 cylinders available and they are luxurious and they are Benz, so everyone wants to buy. One of the dream cars, G-Wagon. Triple exhaust. That looks so cool. That's just so satisfying.